revolvers still matter, especially when you're after something simple, affordable, and easy to control. In this video, we're counting down 7 of the best revolvers under $300 that are perfect for seniors who want a gun they can actually use with confidence. One of our range regulars, a 60-year-old retired truck driver, traded his striker-fired pistol for a budget .22 revolver after getting fed up with stiff recoil and complicated controls. Now, he shoots tighter groups, reloads with ease, and says it's the first time in years a handgun has actually felt comfortable in his hands. These picks aren't just cheap, they're dependable, smooth shooting, and built to make life easier. Whether you need light recoil, a better grip, or just a break from complicated gadgets, we've got something here that fits. Stick around, and if you like honest, real-world gun reviews, hit that subscribe button and join us here on Arms Mastery. Let's get started. Number 7. Cimarron Plinkerton 22 LR. For anyone who wants a classic-style .22 revolver without spending big, this one brings that old-school feel at a price that makes sense. It looks like a traditional 6-shot, and when you pick it up, the weight feels real. 33 ounces unloaded and 36.6 ounces loaded. The kind of balance helps keep it steady in the hand, even during longer range sessions. It runs on .22 LR and uses a single action system, which means you'll need to cock the hammer before each shot. Great for control and accuracy. The 4.75-inch barrel and 10-inch overall length give you a sight radius of 5.5 inches, helping you stay on target. The frame is made from a zinc aluminum alloy, while the cylinder and barrel are steel. The grip panels are checkered plastic. They're solid, though slightly raised edges can feel rough after a while. The trigger breaks clean at 2.5 pounds. It also includes a key-operated safety lock. This revolver holds 6 rounds and uses a ramp front sight with a fixed notch rear. Pros: classic single-action experience. Feels solid in hand. Light, clean trigger pull. Budget-friendly option. Cons: grip edges may cause rubbing. Doesn't shoot exactly to point of aim. Finish varies across parts. Current price is around $179 to $205 depending on availability. Number 6. EAA Bounty Hunter 22 LR. If you're looking for a revolver that feels like the real deal, this one delivers. It's got the look of an old-school cowboy gun, but with more firepower and smoother handling than most budget options. Made in Germany and built with a full steel frame, this single-action revolver weighs in around 35 ounces, giving it a solid, balanced feel that helps keep your shots steady. It features an 8-shot capacity and comes with 2 cylinders, one for .22 LR and another for .22 Magnum. That flexibility alone puts it ahead of many others in this price range. The 4.75-inch barrel gives it a classic silhouette, and the transfer bar safety lets you carry all 8 rounds safely. Loading is easy with a half-cock setup and precise cylinder indexing that lines up perfectly with the ejector rod. The grips are real walnut, oil-finished with no lacquer, giving them a natural feel in the hand. Fit and finish are impressive, and the revolver fits standard Colt-sized holsters. Expect to pay around $326 and $399, depending on the barrel length and retailer. Pros: full steel construction with quality walnut grips, includes both .22, 2LR, and .22 Magnum cylinders. Reliable transfer bar safety with 8-shot capacity. Easy to load and unload. Cons: trigger pull feels heavy out of the box. Shoots slightly low. Front sight may need filing. Pins on the frame can throw off the classic look. Number 5. North American Arms NAA 22S Mini Revolver. It's hard to believe this tiny thing is a working revolver, but it absolutely is. Built for deep concealment and range day fun. This little shooter fits in the palm of your hand and still fires real .22 short rounds. Weighing just 4.1 ounces and measuring only 3.63 inches in overall length, it's one of the smallest functional handguns you can buy. It's not just small, it's solid. The entire frame is made from stainless steel, including a satin finish cylinder and a 1.13-inch barrel. It's a 5-shot single-action revolver that's manually cocked before each shot. The unique safety notch system lets the hammer rest between chambers, so it's safe to carry fully loaded. That's a rare feature on something this small. The grip is a bird's head style frame with laminated rosewood panels. It's compact, but with the right grip technique, it stays stable in the hand. The half-moon front sight is fixed and there's no rear sight, though the back edge of the frame can help line up your shots. Accuracy at close range is fair and recoil is minimal, but this revolver isn't made for distance. It's built for novelty, backup, or close quarters use. The current price sits around $255. Pros: lightweight and easy to carry, durable stainless steel construction, safety notch cylinder for secure loaded carry. Cons: only fires .22 short, no rear sight. Grip may be too small for larger hands. Number 4, Charter Arms Undercover. If you want a snub nose that's built to carry and ready to shoot, this compact .38 special keeps things simple and serious. It holds 5 rounds and weighs just 16 ounces, making it a strong fit for anyone looking for a no-fuss, self-defense revolver. The 2-inch barrel gives it that familiar short frame profile, easy to carry and easy to draw when needed. It's built with a one-piece stainless steel frame and features a full rubber grip that helps reduce recoil. The action runs in both single and double, and while the trigger pull is heavier in double action mode, it still gets the job done. The sights are basic, a fixed blade up front and a rear notch milled into the top strap. Not fancy, but it's more accurate than you'd expect, thanks to the 8-groove rifle barrel. There have been a few concerns about cylinder wobble on some units, but most owners report solid performance. It's simple, American-made, and backed by a lifetime warranty. Some variants of this model can climb above $300. Basic versions are still available from select retailers right around the $299 mark, making it a borderline but valid pick for budget-conscious buyers. Pros: lightweight and easy to carry, built with durable stainless steel, comfortable full-size rubber grip, accurate for a 2-inch barrel. Cons: heavy double-action trigger. Some users report minor cylinder play. Basic fixed sights limit fine adjustments. Number 3, Ruger Wrangler 22 LR. Here's a revolver that brings back that old school charm without cutting corners where it counts. It runs on a single action system, chambers .22 LR, and fires with a crisp, light trigger that breaks around 4 pounds. Whether you're ringing steel or knocking cans off a fence, it handles like a true classic with some smart modern touches baked in. It features a 4.6 2-inch barrel and a full 10.25-inch overall length, giving you solid sight alignment for accurate shooting. The revolver weighs around 30 ounces, giving it just enough heft to stay steady without wearing you out. Its aluminum frame and zinc grip frame are finished in Cerakote, offering both durability and corrosion resistance. You also get a set of molded synthetic grips that feel secure in the hand, even during extended range time. The 6-shot cylinder loads through a side gate, and thanks to a free-spinning design, it rotates in either direction. A transfer bar safety system allows safe carry with all 6 rounds loaded. Right now, retail pricing ranges from $200 to $250. Pros: built tough with Cerakote finish. Great value for the features. Smooth free-spinning cylinder. Transfer bar adds safety for carry. Cons: fixed sights may need adjusting. single action only. 22 LR only, no 22 Magnum option. Number 2, Rock Island Armory M206 38 Special. Here's a revolver that doesn't make promises. It proves itself on the range. Built tough, priced right, and chambered in the 38 Special, it brings old-school reliability with zero drama. Whether it's for home defense, glove box duty, or range day practice, this one gets the job done without a fuss. It features a 2.15-inch barrel and an overall length of 7.75 inches. At 25 ounces unloaded, it's no featherweight, but that extra mass helps tame recoil and keeps follow-up shots on target. The 6-shot steel cylinder swings out smoothly, and the double-action trigger is cleaner than expected at this price, about 10 pounds in double and a crisp 6 in single action. The fixed sights are simple but usable, and the wood grips give it a throwback feel while still offering decent control. Internally, it runs on a transfer bar safety system and ships with a hard case and manual. It's not officially rated for plus P ammo, so it's best paired with standard pressure loads. Pricing for this model starts around $215 and typically stays below $260, depending on the retailer. Pros: full steel frame soaks up recoil, smooth trigger with decent break, affordable and built to last. Cons: not plus P rated, heavier than some carry options. Finish is more utility than style. Number 1, Heritage Rough Rider 22 LR. There's something special about a revolver that feels like it came straight out of a Western film. Only this one won't cost you more than a weekend trip. It's simple, reliable, and built to bring back that old-school shooting experience without draining your wallet. Chambered in 22 LR, this single-action revolver carries 6 rounds and fires 1 shot at a time. You cock the hammer, line up your sights, and squeeze the trigger. It features a 6.5-inch blued steel barrel, fixed sights, and a sturdy aluminum alloy frame. Weighing in at about 33.4 ounces and stretching 11.79 inches in overall length, it has enough heft to keep recoil nearly non-existent, even for brand new shooters. The Cocobolo wood grips offer a solid hold, and there's even a manual thumb safety, something you don't often see on a classic single-action revolver. Loading is done through the side gate, and spent cases are ejected one at a time using the underbarrel plunger. It's slow, sure, but that's part of the charm. Whether you're plinking cans or introducing a beginner to handgun basics, this revolver makes shooting fun. This revolver typically sells between $120 and $150, though the MSRP is listed at $208 depending on the model and finish. Pros: excellent value, durable construction, minimal recoil, perfect for beginners. Cons: slow to reload, fixed sights limit fine-tuning. Single action only. That wraps up our picks for under $300 simple, reliable revolvers that make sense for real shooters. If one of these felt like the right fit, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Arms Mastery brings you straight talk and smart choices every time.